Okay, welcome to this short video on finding the lowest common multiple using prime factorisation. Now, in previous videos we've looked at lowest common multiple through listing. It takes a long time and there are mistakes you can easily make using that technique. So this way is just a little bit quicker, it's a little bit more advanced, and we've used this technique before to find the highest common factor. We're now going to do the same thing for the lowest common multiple. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find two numbers that multiply together to make that first number, so 28. And I'm going to go 2 times 14 because that's going to be my simplest place to start. If it's a prime number, remember that it gets circled. If it's not, then it needs 2 branches coming off of it, and that's 2 times 7, and both 2 and 7 are prime, so I'm going to circle both of those. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for 36. Okay, 36, which is 6 times 6, neither are prime, so let's start with that first 6. That's going to be 2 times 3. Both of those numbers are prime. And then the other 6 is 2 times 3 again. Both of those are prime. So 28 would be 2 times 2 times 7, and 36 would be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, as with highest common factor, what we are going to do here is we're going to draw our 2 circles. We're going to create that Venn diagram. Make sure that middle bit's big enough to write multiple numbers in. Okay, so this left one is for 28, and the right one is for 36. Now, where I'm going to start, I always say, so what M? Okay, so I've got a 2 and a 2, they are both the same, so I'm going to put a single 2 in the middle. I've got another 2 which is the same here and here, so another 2 goes into the middle there. Now all the other numbers that I haven't crossed out I've still now got to place in this diagram here, this Venn diagram. That 7 belongs only to the 28, so let's cross it off. And those 2 3s belong only to the 36, so they're both going to go in the 36. Now the lowest common multiple is all of the numbers multiplied together. Okay, so the lowest common multiple is every number in here multiplied together. So 7 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and that's going to give us the lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple, 7 times 2 is 14, times 2 is 28. Okay, 28 times 3 will be the next thing that we do. So 28 times 3. Now you may need to do a little bit of maths off to the side, so, and that's what I would do over here. So I'm going to do 28 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 84. And it's 84 times 3, because that there is 84. So 84 times by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 24, 25. So the lowest common multiple is 252. So just a quick recap. Set a tree as you normally would. Draw the Venn diagram. Start with numbers that are the same and put them in the middle. So pair of 2s, 1, 2, pair of 2s, another 2, part of the 28, so it goes here. The 2 3s, they're only part of 36, so they go here. The lowest common multiple is all